안 돼.
네, 안녕하세요. 저 7월 달에
네.
여기서 오즈모 모바일 3를 구매했거든요.
네.
근데 오늘 사용하다 이게 떨어뜨려갖고 고장이 났는데,
아,
이거 혹시, 예,
일단 저희 쪽으로 보내주시면 저희가 이제 센터로 보내드릴 거예요.
예.
비용은 이제 그럼 저희가 고객님께 전화를 드려서 이렇게 견적이 나왔는데 수리를 진행할까요? 라고 먼저 여쭤볼 고객님께 보내드리거든요.
여보세요?
네,
오즈모 모바일 맡겨놓은 거 견적이 나왔는데요.
예.
네, 이 비용이 좀 많이 나왔어요. 68,350원 나왔거든요.
Yo, this is about to really hurt some people's feelings. So if you a little sensitive, you might as well turn this joint off right now. Okay? How you afraid to drop a dime when you already dropped a dime? Got a wife at home, but you steady on my line. Talking about shorty, you remember when I grind slow? Did I really blow your mind though? Nah, you got me confused with your other booze. I've been peep game, so I never gave a cookie up. And that's why I got your wife on the line, man. And I hope she gets every single diamond ring. Niggas kill me, they put their fist up. Got you all thinking that they meant other people. All on the stage like they motivational speakers, when really they just A1 creepers. You pushing 40 with an 18-year-old shorty. Oh, you think you lit cause you ride around with all the hot sisters and fly mamacitas. Well, I ain't on your payroll, so let me shoot the shit. They ain't laughing with you, they all laughing at you. Cause you're that old and afraid of commitment. Everybody in the world know that ain't no G shit. Don't get mad at me, your life is kinda sad, B. Now this next jab is for my saints and ain'ts. My Holy Ghost filled fire baptized believers. Stop looking down at me, I'm not an evil heathen. I'm 24 years old and never sold my soul. I went to college to get more knowledge. I upped my pedigree by fixing my credit B. I went across the stage and got my degree. I'm in the middle of my prime with a full-time job. I stay prayed up, not later with a man that all my kids call Uncle Fred. I'm not on the front.
Wake up in the morning, rolling over, looking over at you. Clothes are scattered all over the room. Oh, what did we do? Don't know how it happened, it just happened. We were laughing and I think I might have leaned like, is this alright? Oh, but you didn't mind. My bad. This is probably a bad idea, and I know we shouldn't take it here, but now you're in my bed, looking at me like that. No, don't look at me like that. I know you shouldn't fuck your friends. I mean, it's kinda common sense, but nobody's catching feelings. Nobody's leaving thinking, are we gonna talk about what it meant? I know you shouldn't fuck your friends, but we're just testing out the tension. And nobody's catching feelings. Still gonna hang all weekend. We can just call it what it is.
went down, wolves have found me, can't somehow